Hey everyone, do you want a professional, premium-looking personal branding photo like this? In today's video, I'll show you how to create a stunning 8K photorealistic portrait along with a stylish vector illustration of yourself using Google Gemini. Let's dive in. First, open Google Gemini on your browser and log in with your Google account. This is the AI tool we'll use to create a high-quality, full-body portrait combined with a modern vector-style graphic, perfect for personal branding. Next, click the Upload button and select a clear half-body or full-body photo of yourself. Make sure your face is well visible so Gemini can generate an accurate and realistic portrait. After uploading your photo, copy and paste this exact prompt into Gemini. Just replace your name and @yourname with your own. Now click Generate and wait a few seconds, and there you go. Your photo plus vector art design is ready. Download the image in high resolution and use it anywhere: Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, or even your personal portfolio. And that's it. You've just created your own premium personal branding portrait in just a few clicks using Google Gemini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing AI design tricks. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching.